Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to view storage status in Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your storage status in Picsart, first open up your Picsart app on your phone, and after opening your Picsart app guys, you'll land on this interface, which is the home interface of Picsart. And at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there is a person or profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you land over here where at the middle section of the screen you can see there it says 5 weekly credit left, and below it there is the storage status of your Picsart. Tap on the storage status, and over here your storage used in Picsart will be shown to you over here. And if you want to upgrade your storage, simply tap on the upgrade button and follow through the procedure of payment to get a pro Picsart account. By that your storage will be more than this. And with that being said guys, or you can just tap on the manage files to delete some files if your storage is too much or if you have too many files. And with that being said guys, this is how to view storage status in Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.